Hi smart marketers, welcome to a new video of Tech the Market. Today in this video I'll show you how to open a Google Ads account and what is credit cards or debit cards, the main differences between these two cards. To open a Google Ads account, you need just a Gmail account. This is my Gmail account and I am already logged in with this. So now let's go to google.com and we have to search for Google Ads. The very first link you will find ads.google.com. Just click on it. You will be taken to this page. To the right tab, there are two options: sign in and start now. As yet we don't have any account, we are just going to open one. We have to click on start now. Wait a bit and you will be taken to this page. You see there are only one clickable button, so we have to click on it and you will be taken to this page. The first field requires your business name. Give here the business name. USAVD fashion. I just gave a name. And then to the bottom there are three options. The first one, go to my website. This field actually requires your landing page URL. If your business is an e-commerce business, you will give here the landing page of the campaign. After clicking on your ad where you want to take your users, and then the second option, call to my phone number. This is actually for leads collection related campaigns, if you want to collect leads. And the third one, if you want your users to download your apps. So I'm actually doing this for an e-commerce business. This is the website and just select a product, and this is the landing page. Just copy and paste here, and then next, and wait a bit. This page you find a new button, skip. Just let me mark it. Found it, skip. So we can skip if we want, but as you are a business owner, you may link your YouTube channel or other mobile and other business channels to this ads, Google Ads account. So if it is applicable to your business, you may link with your ads account, but I would like to skip it for now. And then this page, and here you have to choose your goal for campaign. So for e-commerce businesses, most of the time it is actually purchase is normally becomes the conversions. If you want to collect leads, then this one you will select, and there are other options. So which one is applicable to your business, you have to select. So I am selecting purchase, but for now I'm going to skip it because I'm not creating any campaign now. And this page there are two options, video or search. Actually these are ad format type, so just for now I want to skip it. There is another option, leave campaign creation. Yes, I want to leave campaign creation for now. And you will be taken to this account setting page. This is the main part while creating a Google Ads account. This setting you won't be able to change it in the future, so be careful about the setting in this page. Billing country. Billing country is the country from where your card has been issued. Suppose your billing country is USA and your business may be in another country. It doesn't matter. You have to select here your billing country. Suppose my card is from USA, so I would like to select here USA. When you select a country, time zone will show the variations of time zones in the country. So there are several variations. I would like to select Chicago. So you'll select whichever is actually suitable for the business you run. In the currency, there are USD dollar by default. If you want to select other currencies, you may. I'd like to give USD here. And this currency, you cannot change it. It's unalterable. So be careful about it. Then next, confirm your account and payment settings. So there is payment settings. So United States, I've already selected, and Chicago, offer code, no offer code. So account type, there are two account types: business, individual, and or organization. So as a business owner, you have to select organization. So you have to give a name here, US Debit Fashion, okay? And credit card or debit card. Now there is payment options. You may add a credit card or a debit card. So give the card number here, validity, and CVC, cardholder name and zip code. So you have to give these informations. And if you want any guidance from Google authority, just click yes, otherwise no, then submit. So as currently I don't have any card, so I cannot click on submit. So this is the last stage of creating your ads account. After you give all the details, informations, and click on submit, your ads account will be created. Then you will be taken to your ads account. The ads account will be like this. This is my ads account. I created it earlier. And this is the home page of Google Ads account. To the left side, there are several options like create campaigns, goals, tools, and billing. So let's visit this. So look at here, billing country, you can change it. So billing country is changeable, but currency, look at here, currency, you cannot change it. It's unalterable, you cannot change it, unchangeable. Then account type, you can, I think you can change it. Yes, you can change it, and all the information you can change, but you only cannot change this currency. Then payments, there are two types of payments. One is automatic payments, another is manual payments. The automatic payments will require a credit card from you, and the manual payments will require a debit card from you. If you select manual payments, you have to pay in advance, and after that you can run ads. On the other hand, if you select automatic payments, Google will assign you a threshold or credit limit. For example, if your threshold is $100, you will be billed by Google each time you reach that amount, and the money will be deducted from your credit card. If you do not spend the full $100 within 30 days, you will be billed after 30 days for the amount you have spent. This is how these two types of payment system works. And then this is tax information. If you have any BIN, which is mean business identification number, if you have it, just give it here and then submit. So this is all about creating a Google Ads account. Now let's go to debit and credit card section. So let me begin with debit card. Debit card is a regular bank card. If you have an account with a bank, you can apply for a debit card, and the banks will issue debit card for every account holder. On the other hand, credit card is a kind of loan card. You actually borrow money from a bank by this credit card. So everyone cannot get this card. Only eligible persons by the standards of a bank can get this card. These cards, credit cards and debit cards, these cards may be domestic or it may be global or international. For domestic cards, the banks usually use national payment networks such as NPSB in Bangladesh, which is managed by the Central Bank of Bangladesh. But for international transaction or cards, the banks will need support from global payment networks. These type of companies are available worldwide. For example, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, etc. Banks or any financial institutions, they actually go into agreement with these payment networking companies. Therefore, a credit card, it may be of any of these networks. The same goes for debit card. Debit card also may be of any of these networks. It totally depends on a bank's choice and agreement with these networking companies. Now, let's have a summary of it. Credit card. It's a loan card. It can be domestic or global. In banking terms, it's also called dual currency cards. What is actually dual currency cards? Look at here. When you check your balance in your phone by the bank app, for single currency or domestic cards, it will look like this. But for the dual currency card, it will look like this. There will be two currencies. The first currency is the local or the primary currency, and the second currency is normally the international or the secondary currency. So you will have these two currencies in one account. You can keep or deposit some of your money in BDT and some of your money in USD. So simultaneously, you can keep your money in two different currencies. And it can be issued by any banks with any networks. Only eligible persons can get this card. For debit cards, it's a regular bank card, can be domestic or global, can be issued by any banks with any networks. Everyone can get this card. This is all for today's video. If you think this video has been of any use to you, please share it with your friends and family. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.